Alright, we got the cars here on Riverfront Park on September 3rd. Yeah. There's a ton of cars, man. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh man. The Power Wagon. Nice. I like that one. That's really nice. Yeah. And this rat rod, this truck. Oh my god. Yeah. I think I've seen that bus before. That's pretty cool. Look at all the cars.
That's kind of like oh yeah.
GTO. And Buick's the beauty. Huh. Here we go. Yeah. I thought it was Maxwell Silver Hammer, but I really like that one. That's really cool. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, that's good. This one's been to Indy. Nice. Corvette.
Did you see the school bus?
This is a good one. Like it's all the way slammed to the ground. Lead sled, right? Low and slow. BMW. What's that one doing here? Butch Wills show car. I don't know who Butch Wills is.
Very funny. Check the back too.
That's another good one. I like that one. See, there you go. Lead sled, man. Oh, they got model cars, too. Tiny Derby. What are you doing there? Today? Here? That's cool.
I went into the next show.
This is Roush, huh? Nice.
They started out. Ken and Carolyn migrated up north. But I'm just thinking,
And then take the number of games and add it. Right? Wow. That was pretty cool. Oh, I should put my phone on vibrate. Because I'm so fast. That was cool. Yeah, we're gonna go over here. Yeah, there you go. That guy's for sale.
Yeah, that's what you boy invites them to do right here.
This is a good one. That's kind of cool. I told you, it was in Austin or Sunday. I told you. Let's see.
Yeah, Ford had a different idea than
But I like the
Oh, it's an F100, but they jacked it up. Oh, that's more than Pinewood Derby. That's so funny.
You're there to pick me up and help me to carry on. All little things mean a lot.
I'm like 3 rows deep right now.
I'm near the Eastern thing and chase away the rain.
Yeah, mine had a bumper that the farmer had like welded together and then they just What's that?
Oh, it's a Bronco. Nice Bronco.
Get our chairs and come down here? You want me to go get them?
Yeah, I'm slow.
We're gonna look around.
I'm slow.
Interesting. Look to
I've seen nothing. That's why it's dark old.
Yeah, Firebird. I told you. These are good. I really like that one right there. That's really good. Ooh, this is a good one. This one got a hammy. You gotta say hammy like that. Chandler.
Anyway.
Hammy. Oh, this guy did some art.
The McQueens.
That's a nice thing.
Are you local 740?
And I'm like, Roy's a jokester. And I told him. I'm like, no, he's kidding. There's no way.
I walked over there, Austin, let's take a bath. There you go.
And they got some military trucks too. Fire. Ooh, it's got pictures. Ooh, this is a Super Bee. Nice. Nice. See, usually the Super Bees are yellow, but that one is. That's pretty sweet. And it's functional. We like functional. Rambler. Wagon. Nice. The Rambler wagon. Nice. It's pretty nice. It's pretty good. I guess. Here we go. Hard to say. There's an MG.
Some guy had offered her over $350.
A little bit.
Is it another MG?
So it's interesting because, you know,
I bet.
the VIN, we still have the original brass plate of the VIN.
Hi.
Car my parents drove on their honeymoon
Oh, cool.
in Germany back in the 50s.
Cool.
One of my dad's first cars that he owned.
Cool.
Yeah.
State police guy that
And
helped us out a lot. 'Cause other than that, we were
They-
dead water.
my mom got to push it on their honeymoon.
State police
In the
office here
Alps.
in Salem. Unfortunately, law enforcement back there.
Oh, so that, you see what I'm saying? That's what it needed. Because the guy that helped us comes into the restaurant. Yeah, my parents have. So.
Yeah. 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 Right. Okay. So, like, what truck are you talking about? Oh, okay. Well, you said there was a red one, but... Oh, okay. Alright. Well, I guess we're going to put an end to this part of the video. Oh, here.